What's good guys, my name is Ishan and in this video we're going to be going over all the massive things that you need to know when NIO reports earnings on Tuesday, November 17th. Plus we're going to be going over some major stuff and a technical analysis at the end to go exactly over how to play it. With that being said, if you appreciate these short and value-packed videos, make sure to drop a quick sub and let's clock in. So I called out NIO as a buy when it was all the way back at $14 a share, then again at $20 and only a couple weeks ago when it was at $30. So as you can guess, I am pretty bullish on this stock. So starting out with what to expect, analysts on average estimate a loss of 17 cents per share on revenues of $652.77 million, compared to a loss of $2.38 per share and revenues of $262 million the year ago. That's an over 200% increase year over year, which is just amazing. Like, just think back to when the company was trading at only $2 a share, the company was about to go bankrupt, and now business is booming. We already know that deliveries will be amazing as well, because since September, deliveries were up a staggering 133% year over year, and in October, they hit another single month record for deliveries with over 5,000. And all of this has to do with the shift in NIO's business model, which is what I've been talking about for a while if you've been watching my videos. All these news articles and bears like to point out that,
oh, the competition is going to destroy them. The Tesla Model Y is going to come in and destroy NIO and they're not going to sell any cars.
But when NIO does come out with numbers, we see that the competition is not even affecting them at all. And that's the point that I've been trying to make in a lot of my videos, which is that the competition is helping NIO. Yup, you heard me right. The competition is helping them. They've been able to take control of that mid-premium market for people who are willing to pay a little bit more, and we can see that from their numbers, from their last delivery numbers, which in fact showed that 2,700 out of their 5,000 deliveries were in fact their premium SUV. And the reason this is all working is the way NIO has differentiated themselves. They've built up NIO Spaces, NIO Houses, their battery as a service business model. All these different amenities and features are things that only their customers get. And so while other brands, other companies have been looking at NIO and seeing that, oh, this is just a waste of money, why would we invest in this? NIO has been slowly building up their infrastructure of all these sorts of amenities, all these sorts of cool things that only their customers get, and as a result it's made them a lot more attractive compared to the other companies when people are deciding to buy EV cars. Not to mention their battery as a service business even allows them to still qualify for incentives, something that's super key in China. And so that's why I believe we're seeing NIO hit all-time highs with all these deliveries. Their sales are slowly expanding, and it all boils down to the investment they made from the very start. The company has been on a roll and will continue to do so. As they say, the proof is in the pudding, and the proof here really makes me wish I bought a lot more NIO. Now in Q2 2020, which was their last report, they had vehicle margins of 9.4% compared with negative 24.1% in the second quarter of 2019. For this quarter, I think we can expect to have around the same number, because with them scaling production, increased R&D plus selling costs, you can expect it to weigh a little on the margins. And then China themselves want 25% of new vehicle sales by 2025 to be electric. Currently, sales only make up about 5% of total vehicles sold in China, so you're looking at the EV market in China quadrupling. But apart from that, what I'm most looking forward to hear more about from NIO and their CEO is their plans for expansion into Europe, because that could be a massive opportunity for the company. In 2019, around 1.2 million EVs were sold in China, only a 3% increase year over year, and the US EV sales dropped by 12% in 2019. Meanwhile, sales in Europe rose by 44%, and in the first quarter of 2020, Europe increased its EV market share to take 26% control of the market. So Europe is a place with massive opportunity, where a lot of governments still have really good incentives for EV buyers, not to mention, as we discussed with NIO's different and new and innovative business model, when they come in with their batteries as service business model, if they plan to, that will be a total game changer, as they will be able to undercut their competitors in price and offer people a model never seen before. So any indication of this expansion plus more news, I believe will really send the stock soaring just because of how large of an opportunity it presents to the company. So now, how do we play the earnings? And for that, it's time to jump into the technicals. Taking a look at the technicals, we were in this constant uptrend, but now we've broken that trend. The key level to watch for an overreaction play if the stock drops would be the $38 level. We've bounced twice over there, so chances are we could find some support there. But if profit taking continues and the overall market pushes lower, combined with NIO's recent sky high move, a break of that $38 level may happen, and in that case we could head all the way down to $31 to fill the gap it has down there, and that would be an extremely amazing buying opportunity. As for a push higher on earnings, since NIO has already gone so high, it's unlikely we will push to all-time highs right now. So based on the technicals, we probably return to the $49 to $50 level on a push higher. And all around there's uncertainty, so I'll only be looking to play this after earnings and ideally waiting for an overreaction play plus profit taking to buy into. So guys, make sure you like and subscribe and let me know down below what your thoughts are on NIO stock. Do you plan to buy more? What are you guys expecting from its earnings? It's super exciting. I'm very hyped, and so do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy. Clocking out for now. Peace.